In this problem, we are asked to find the equation in x and y whose graph contains the points on the curve C. We are then asked to sketch the graph of C and indicate the orientation. One way to graph C would be to plot points, letting t range between 0 and 5, and evaluating our function x and our function y, noticing that both of them are linear. So when t equal to 0, I would plug in 0 for my x function and I get 0 minus 2, or a negative 2. If I plug in 0 for my y function, I'll get 2 times 0 plus 3, or 3. I can continue this process plugging in t equal to 0 to t equal to 5 to obtain values for x and y. As I look at the pattern in my table, I can see as t increases, x increases by 1 and y increases by 2. This should give us an equation of a line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept at 0, 7. If I sketched a couple of those points, I would be at negative 2, 3. Next point would be negative 1, 5, 0, 7, and so on and so forth. Sketching out my graph, I would also recognize the orientation of this line states that as t increases, from 0 to 5, my values of x and y increase or vary from our first, a negative 2, 3, to our last, 3, 13. In order to find the equation of this line, we can substitute in, solving for t in our first equation, x is equal to t minus 2, gives us x plus 2 is t. Plugging that into our second parameterization of y is equal to 2t plus 3, we'll get y is equal to 2 times x plus 2 plus 3, or y is equal to 2x plus 4 plus 3, giving us y is equal to 2x plus 7. We would notice that this is an equation of a line with a slope of equal to 2, which we saw by their change in y over the change in x, and passes to the point x equal to 0, y is equal to 7.